Hey G-Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode at this cool object here, and here's what this is a case that's used for your iPhone 14 Pro Max. You can see for the one that we got right here from this brand, and right here they do tell you guys what specs about the product. So for this case in particular, they mention how the Life series and has 3 times stability when you guys do use it. But what I want to do right now is open up and show you guys what the inside looks like. So once you guys do take it out, that's what the inside looks like. So inside right here, they do provide you guys this little lens wiper that you use to wipe down the lens on your product, which is really nice. And then right here we do have the case. If you guys do take it out, once you guys do take it out, this is what the product looks like. So right here we do have the opening for your lens. The back part right here we do have the magnetic design. And the way how they design it does have the option for it to open up to use as a ring finger option like this. Or you can also use it as a stand, which is pretty cool. And I'll show you guys how that works in a second. But what's really unique about this ring option right here is the fact that it is rotatable. So feel free to turn it 360 if you guys want to, which is really awesome. So that way you can angle in different directions if you guys do need to. And it's very easy for you to move it if you can see. And once you got it done, you can close it back up, just like that. And the way how to design this part right here is magnetic. So if I do stick it onto like a MagSafe charger, it does work, if you see. So really cool how it is MagSafe compatible. But the back part right here, you can see we do have the brand name of the product. And the way how they design the case is like a matte design, so that way you can't really see through it as much. And the way how they design the actual case itself throughout the side and the corner is actually pretty high quality. It definitely has that protection, so that way if you guys do drop it in the corners or the side, it does have the protection built in. So this is what the product looks like on this side, and then here is inside. So they do have like the cushion on here inside to prevent any scratches when you guys do use it, which is really cool. But that is everything that's on the case. Before I show you guys what's on the side, let me put this onto my phone first. So the way how you guys put it on is actually very easy. Just snap it on, just like this. Push it in all 4 corners. Once you guys do put it in, this is what the product looks like. So right here we do have the lens. If you guys do look at a certain angle, it's lifted up just a little bit to give you guys that protection for your lens, which is pretty cool. But right here we do have the button for the power button. This side right here we do have the button for you to turn it on and turn it off for the silent option and vibration option. Here we do have the button for you guys to increase or lower the volume. Right here is the top, and here we do have the bottom. So we do have the opening for the speakers, and we do have the opening for the plug outlet to plug in the cable to charge it. And this is what the front part looks like once you guys finish installing it. If you guys do look at the front part of the case, it's like lifted up just a little bit, not by much. So you definitely have that very minimal design with the way how to design it. But when you guys look at each one in the corner, it is lifted a little bit more to give you guys that protection when you guys do use it. So that is everything that's on the case. Let's say for example, if I do try out the MagSafe option with the phone on, let's see what actually works for the wireless charging option. So let's do stick it on. You can see how it does work. And the magnet that's on here is actually pretty strong, you can see. But obviously, if you guys do pull it open in the back part right here, the magnet will stick onto this part right here in the back instead of the other part. So if you guys try to go like this, it will not work. You can see. So that's one of the downsides of using the actual product. When you guys stick it like this, if you guys move it too much, it'll move out. And then once it moves out a little bit, it doesn't really charge anymore. So that's something to keep in mind when you guys do use the product. But it definitely does stick on if you guys do leave it on like this, you can see. So the MagSafe option or the wireless charge option on here definitely does work. But what I'm doing right now is to test out the ring option to show you guys how to use it as a stand. So I have to take it out. You guys feel free to move it around like I mentioned. Let's say for example, if you guys want to leave it right here, let's test it out and show you guys when it actually works. So I'll use the box as an example. If you guys put it down like this, it does work, let me see. If you guys want to use it the other way, turn it this way. Like that. And feel free to use it like that as well. If you guys want to use it like on this side, that also works, but it's not as ideal if you guys do it like this way. You probably want to use it like this. If you guys use it in this direction, that way it works a lot better. You can see. So really cool how to give you guys the ring option to use it as a stand when you guys want to. And once you guys are not using it, or once you are done using it, you can push back in. So that way keep it hidden and it's not in your way when you guys do use that phone. And the cool thing about having a magnetic option right here in the back is so that way you can just stick it anywhere that's magnetic. So for example, if you guys want to stick this onto your fridge, you do have the option available. And just like any other case from this brand, they do have like a shockproof and drop-proof design, which is pretty cool. So what I'm doing right now is actually stick it onto the fridge to show you guys what she looks like really quick. And then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so right here I do have the product. If I do stick on the fridge, you can see how it does work. So really cool to give you guys a strong magnet on here to stick it onto the fridge. So that way I can multitask, maybe turn on a video to watch while you guys are working out here, doing your laundry, doing your dishes or whatever, which is pretty cool. And once you guys do move it, this is what the product looks like. So really cool product, how well it does work for the magnetic design on here to give you guys that option to do this if you guys want to. Welcome back, guys. So nice little quick test of product, and definitely actually does work, actually works quite well. If you see how when you guys do put this onto your fridge, it definitely sticks on because it does have a really strong magnet on here to hold in place. So that way, if you guys want to like multitask, maybe if you guys want to work out while looking at the fridge or something, you do have the option to stick it on there and watch videos or listen to music on there if you guys want to. So the product itself is actually very convenient for you guys to use in multiple ways, whether if you guys want to use the MagSafe option, the magnet option, the stand option, and so much more. You do have all the different options available, but that is everything that's on the product. Now to come unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this part, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. If you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality phone case to use for your iPhone 14 Pro Max that give you guys like the stand option, the ring option, the MagSafe option, and so much more, then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.